Welcome to the course Hyperparameter Optimization for Machine Learning. In this course, you will learn how to find the best hyperparameters for your machine learning models, maximizing their performance. My name is Soledad Gali, I am a data scientist, and I will be guiding you through this course. As a data scientist, I developed and put into production machine learning models to assess credit risk, insurance claims, and to prevent fraud in finance and insurance companies. I'm the developer of the open source Python library Feature Engine. I was various times one of LinkedIn's top voices in data science and analytics, and today I'm very excited to tell you more about the techniques and tools that you can use to find the best hyperparameters for your machine learning models. Hyperparameter optimization has 4 key ingredients. We first need a performance metric to optimize. We need a cross-validation framework to determine the error of the machine learning model. We need to define the hyperparameter space, that is, the values of the hyperparameters that we want to evaluate. And finally, we need a way to sample that hyperparameter space. In this course, we will first discuss the different performance metrics that we can optimize. After that, we will cover different cross-validation schemes, discussing when they are suitable. We will then jump straight on to the basic and most widely used hyperparameter optimization algorithms, which are grid search and random search. Then we will move on to Bayesian optimization, which has been made popular thanks to Python libraries like hyperopt. And finally, we will cover multi-fidelity optimization. You will learn to optimize the hyperparameters of your models using popular Python libraries, including scikit-learn, of course, but also hyperopt, optuna, and scikit-optimize. By the end of this course, you will have a thorough understanding of the different methods used to optimize hyperparameters, their advantages and shortcomings, and you will be able to implement them in Python. You will have plenty of code using different open source libraries to optimize the hyperparameters of models from scikit-learn and other libraries such as XGBoost and LightGVMs. You will also have code to optimize neuronal networks. And you will be able to easily adapt this code to use it in your own projects. If you are new to hyperparameter tuning, this course will take you off the ground by helping you understand and implement the most commonly used hyperparameter tuning methods. If you already optimize hyperparameters by using popular libraries like hyperopt, this course will help you understand what these libraries are doing under the hood, and with this knowledge, you'll be better placed to decide if these methods are right for you and your models and how to make them run more efficiently. If you're familiar with grid search and random search, in this course, you'll discover new methods and tools that you can use to speed up the search for hyperparameters. By the end of this course, you'll have a thorough understanding of hyperparameter optimization, and you will be in a good place to decide which is the best method and the best tool for your setup and your models. And you will be able to answer as well many questions when interviewing for data scientist positions. And if you're into data science competitions, this course will help you create the best setup for hyperparameter optimization to squeeze that extra bit of performance out of your models while correctly determining the model error and avoiding overfitting. So if you want to learn more about the content that we will be covering throughout the course, check out the next video for the complete course curriculum. And in the unlikely event that you don't find this course useful, there is a 30-day money-back guarantee, so there is no reason to wait. Enroll today and start maximizing the performance of your machine learning models. See you!